So, welcome back to Infact Plays Games. Today is another 1v1. It's me, HinKeL, and Jimmy, and we are playing Dead or Alive 4, old school Xbox 360 fighting game. So, let's get it on.
Yeah, let's get it on, cause I have no experience with this game.
You're gonna lose so hard.
We'll see.
We'll see.
I might have some beginner's luck.
Maybe.
I mean, this is a fighting game. We have seen so many cases in which button mashing has trumped experience.
Even in this game, but only with starter characters.
Oh, wait. Yep, there we go.
Let's go! So, I'm picking, of course, Kazumi in the white dress.
Is that a biker dude?
No, it's a wrestler dude.
I don't like his blonde hair. I'll go with
and his smug face.
I'll go with Dragon Dude.
Dragon Dude with Jet Li.
Is
Bruce Lee. Kind of Bruce Lee.
Costume 2.
Tekken had a similar character.
Wait, what? Bare chested?
Naked!
Okay, why the hell not? I mean, this is Dead or Alive.
In the nude. Oh.
Well.
My dreams have been destroyed.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Random,
of course.
Yeah.
No danger zone. So the rules are best of 5. Plain and simple.
Each match will have 2 rounds, or 3 rounds, best of 2, best of 3.
No, each match has 2 rounds.
No, you have to win 2 rounds, so it's best of 3.
No, it's best of 5.
Oh wait, sorry. Wait, are those dinos?
Yes, they are dinos, and they even interact with you, so you can jump over them. Okay, so first blows have been dealt. You're really getting it on. You're laying pain on me.
Ah. Come on! Come on! No! Ah! Are you fucking kidding me?
And I didn't even go full all in.
Wait, what's that? Oh.
Nice counter there. Oh, Dino, do it. Move it! Okay.
Ah, come on! No!
No! Oh, man! Did that really happen now?
Get ready.
Okay, yeah. There could be an extra second to get ready, because, I mean, you don't expect it.
You don't expect what?
The match to start, no, the match to restart so fast. I mean, I'm not used at least.
Okay, so, first round, as I foretold. Winner! Please, stay down! Again.
Shall we change characters each match?
We can, yes.
Okay.
To up the challenge.
Yeah. Also makes it a bit more interesting.
Yeah, so let's just pick random.
I'm gonna pick
Random.
Mr. Bison.
Mr. Bison. We're not playing Street Fighter here.
Where's Mr. Ah, there we go.
Mr. Russian Bison. It's on you now.
Yeah, random again.
So, which character did I get?
Oh, right.
I picked random, yeah.
That's why Tekken is cool. You got Mokujin. The wooden doll. The wooden doll.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I hate that.
Is that metrosexual harangue?
Kinda, yeah.
Okay, this guy is slower. I'm not really into slow.
But he deals.
He's strong, yeah. He's strong, but...
Ah! What did I do? I have no clue what I'm doing here! Yeah, on the wall is always a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Get ready.
I'm really laid back right now. Oh! Oh! come on!
Come on! What are you doing?
Get ready, fight!
Oh. I really hate this character. I don't like it.
I'm starting to like this guy. I mean, he's slow, but come on, come on, come on! You can... Okay, maybe I'm not liking him so much after all. I'm just mutton bashing.
Mutton bash, yeah, me
Yeah.
too. Second round. With a random pick character.
Let's really... Yeah. Let's change again.
So, it could be the final match.
Oh, right.
It could be.
Well, we'll do the 5 matches anyway, no?
We can do that, yeah, but...
Okay, I'm
already
gonna
clear
go.
who's the
I'm gonna
winner.
go with Blade.
What's
What's
the
his
actor
second?
called again? Wesley Snipes, was it?
Yeah. See, it's Wesley Snipes. It's freaky Wesley. Yeah. It's
I think that guy has a costume too, where he's looking like he's wrapped in tinfoil, with an antenna on the head, and a display on the chest.
Who did you pick? Or did you
Random.
go random again?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, boobies!
ready, fight!
Okay.
Okay. Ah! Oh, she's a wrestler, dude. Wrestler, do that.
Wait! Okay, that was a bit Steve-like. Steve from Tekken, you know.
Yeah, I remember him kinda.
No, I freaking love Steve because it's just dodge, dodge, punch, punch, dodge, dodge.
The only character I remember are Yoshimitsu, Eddie Lei, Warang, and Heihachi, of course.
You don't remember Jin?
And Jin. I hate Jin. Jin Kazama. Nah, I hate that dude.
His dad.
Heihachi.
No, that's his grandfather.
Yeah, it's his grandfather. His dad is...
Kazuya? No, yeah. Kazuya?
I think so.
Kazuya. Yeah.
But he wasn't in Tekken 3.
No, he was in Tekken 1 and 2, and later, wasn't he?
Because
4?
Tekken 3 was Heihachi and Jin.
Yeah.
Okay. So, of course, it's clear who the winner is, but we're going for the 5 matches after all because it happened a bit fast, and maybe Jimmy could use some training, some additional training.
Next time I'll pick the game.
Yeah, of course. Why not? I like a challenge.
I'll make you eat some dust too. Okay, who am I going for?
Just go random for the last 2 matches.
Yeah, sure. And random.
And random.
Random!
Random gives you the most challenge. So, oh, she's a button masher character.
あなたが次の相手ね。Get ready, fight!
She's actually pretty nice. I always hated her.
Invisible walls. Oh!
Oh! Okay, so I need to stop blocking here and going to the offensive!
まだ終われない。Get ready, fight!
You know what I liked about the original Dead or Alive?
No.
That when you did a KO and they fell on the ground, they would like explode up in the air.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I haven't played the first one. The first Dead or Alive I ever played was Dead or Alive 2 on PlayStation 2.
Yeah, I dabbled a bit in it, but not a lot, really. It was mainly my neighbor at the time he's a huge beat 'em up fan, and I mean that's why I play Tekken quite well. We used to spend quite a lot of time. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah, I could tell you what you do. No!
I won!
Yeah, your first match.
I won! I won! Okay, I still lost, but I won!
立ち上がらないで。
I give you that one. I give you that one. choose character.
Yeah.
For the final round. So, it's... Oh, it was me. Random again.
Randomania.
Here we go.
Oh, it's your turn.
Yeah, finally. For once. Okay, so who did you get? Oh, more boobies.
American boots.
I just played. Oh, it's. Oh, I see.
Apparently chicks are better than dudes.
Yeah. They seem a bit
I mean,
faster.
I have no problem with chicks in games, it's just that
Whoa!
it's...
Sayonara!
It's just a matter of preference, I guess.
Yeah, I think so. It depends on what you're used to. If you're more like into slow characters dealing massive damage,
Yeah.
or high DPS only.
Marduk.
DPS is everything. Oh! Ah!
No, 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 no.
What was that?
Ouch. Ah, crap.
Finally.
Well, at least I won one.
Yeah.
So
At
it's
least,
not it's not
at
a,
least.
it's not a complete loss.
Well, I could say I gave you a chance, but I would be lying. I would be lying. Okay, so let's wrap it up.
Yeah. Well played, man.
Well played. Was a nice versus 1v1.
You lost against Mike, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So
we were playing
it's
Rocket
your
League.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's your first victory, man.
Yeah.
I'm at 2 losses right now.
Your last game was
Against PJ.
PJ, and you
We
were playing
We
Trials
were playing
Fusion.
Trials Fusion, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's wrap it up. So guys, thanks for tuning in, and see you again on the next 1v1.
And hit that share button.
Exactly. Bye.